Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Fatima. Welcome to my channel Cook with Fatima. So guys, आज की रेसिपी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं हेल्दी सूप। यस गाइस, अगर आप हेल्दी खाना खाना चाहते हो और अगर आपको वेजिटेबल्स पसंद नहीं है, अगर आप डाइट पे हो और अपनी बोरिंग सी डाइट से कुछ अच्छा टेस्टी और हेल्दी खाना खाना चाहते हो तो आप मेरी रेसिपी ज़रूर ट्राई करें। So without wasting our time, let's get started. Take a pan and add some oil or a ghee, आप कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, and add chopped spring onion, now add 1 inch sliced ginger, half teaspoon garlic paste, half bowl of chopped cabbage, and mix this nicely. Now add chopped green chilies, carrot and capsicum and mix well. You can add more vegetables of your choice. Now add salt as per your taste. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And finally add water. And lastly add boiled green peas and corn. Now let this get boiled. After 5 minutes, add corn flour paste. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and water paste and stir it continuously. And let this cook for 5 minutes more. And yes guys, our hot and healthy soup is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do follow me on Instagram also. We'll see you with the new recipe. Till then, bye bye.